guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another style and sexy lingerie ang ating i-haul and review for today. So without further ado, atin ang aalamin kung gaano ka-sexy at kaganda nito. So, here we are. So this is my new collection for today. Wow, look at this. Nice. Very nice. Look at that lingerie. Look at this. This is a front view. Look at this. Napakaganda. Also, a see-through panty. And this is a back view. Maganda po yung kanyang material. Very ano po siya. Malamig. Cool po siya. Cool na cool po ang kanyang tela. Ang kanyang material. Very cool. Maganda po. Tingnan mo. Ito yung pinaka-back view niya. Look at this. Tingnan mo yung kanyang embroidered na scallop. Napakaganda po. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality. Wow! Na wow talaga. Itong ating lingerie na ito. Nice quality. Perfect. Look at this. And also here, yung crotch niya, perfect. Ganda, oh. Nice quality talaga siya, oh. Very nice. Ganda po, oh. Talagang hindi ka lugi dito. At ito po ay nagkakahalaga lang, na ibili po ito ng 80 pesos. So, sulit na sulit po dahil sa kanyang quality and the material is very good. Look at this style, so elegant. Look at this. Ayan. Very elegant po ang kanyang style. Look at this view. Wow, nice talaga siya. Talagang hindi ka lugi rito sa pagkabili mo ng 80 pesos. Very good ang kanyang quality, the design. So elegant. And the color. Look at this, green. Look at that. So doon sa may mga almo. Go, go, go na at pwede ito sa inyo. Very nice po talaga. Ganda ng quality niya kahit saan tingnan. The scallop, the garter, very firm po ang pagka-stretch nitong garter niya. Talagang ito pagka sinuot mo, hindi mo mararamdaman yung kasi merong garter na masakit sa balat. But this is good. Maganda talaga ito. Sure na sure ako. Look at this. See-through man siya, pero natin naman yung style niya, oh. May bulaklak. At yung kanyang, look at this, yung scallop dito sa leg hole. Ang ganda. Pati dito sa bewang. Sa ating waistline. Look at this. Nice talaga. So elegant. Look at this. Wow. So, kapag i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, nako. Perfect. 10. So, this is a good quality product. So, hindi kayo magsisisi at hindi kayo manghihinayang sa ibinili nyo dahil ito yung napakaganda ng kanyang quality. So, that is for today for our sexy, lacy, see-through bikini lingerie. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.